Welcome. We will discuss these assembly district lines. And it appears that there's an election for Assembly District 56, and we have a candidate that doesn't live in Assembly District 56, right? And that seems odd. And as they explained it, there's an article here, sorry about all these ads, where it says this person, Ian Huntley, doesn't live in 56, but he's running. I mean, I'm not against anybody, but I would think that Assembly District 56 would want someone that lives in Assembly District 56, right? And it appears he doesn't live. But then they say, according to his own quote, this Ian Huntley says he's registered to vote in 57. He's been inside a luxury building. Of course, this is the New York Post, so you have to be careful of everything. You should be careful of everything. City Board of Election records show, and we'll show how they see this. It's all public. Public records additionally show he's lived there for more than a decade. And then there's this quote here: district lines are arbitrary. Well, of course, but laws are arbitrary also. Thou shalt not kill, or it's against the law to kill. That's arbitrary. So, and that doesn't seem to be an explanation for why you can run in any district. Then they said it was due to redistricting, I believe. Somewhere I read that. So let's look at these property tax bill of $48. We can even show when it's going to be removed. And just a note, why are these people, it seems as if politicians are not exactly on the healthy side, but that's a different issue. But let's go to the map, which shows this Ballotopedia place is pretty good. It shows New York State Assembly District before 2020. I don't know what district they're comparing to, but this Spencer Street, where it's shown that Ian Huntley has lived for more than a decade, right around here, Willoughby and Spencer, has never been part of Assembly District 56. Look at it. The place has been redistricted, but if you look, keep your eye on this area here, it's always outside. And I don't think these lines are accurate, because I doubt they're cutting through blocks like that. Maybe this is wrong, maybe, but I hope that Ballotopedia is not wrong. That would be bad. I guess we should look and see what the more accurate, but it looks like to me that it was never part of it. Like, it seems to run along Nostrand Avenue, and obviously Spencer is between Nostrand and Bedford, so I don't see how that's possible. Now, what we can do is pause and look up the more official maps, but I'll first show how to look up anybody. You can just go to this searching New York State voters. You can search on Google. There's this guy, Stephen Morse, that seems to do this stuff. It's pretty good. You just put in any name and last name. Seems that this person's name is pretty unique. You don't even have to put zip code or anything. And then search, and boom, it'll bring up the person. And then you have to know a little bit more about them sometimes, because there's multiple names. But that's the case. And also, if we look here, they are correct about the property tax bill for this particular apartment, this condo. It's $50, which is billed to the owner. Now, if you go to who owns what, you can look up this thing, who owns what. I guess we can just put in, this is an old version, check out the new version, and then you can put in new search, and then you put in this address, which is 175 and Spencer, I believe, Spencer Street. And it turns out this is owned by somebody, 25 buildings, and it seems like they own a lot in Harlem, in North Harlem, right? And these are the names: Burke Horsch and Gab Stone, and the bill actually goes to, if you look at the bill, it goes, I wonder if it goes to any of the landlords. If you look at the bill, it goes to BSP, Spencer LLC. I don't know what that means, but that's yet another LLC owned by that group. Okay? And we're going to look for the district lines to see on more official one. We'll stop and we'll re-record something for the district lines. Peace out.